Nasaan man ito ang pangarap ko, makuha mo pa.
Once again, palakpakan tayo man po ni Mr. and Mrs. Domingo.
Tanda natin, nagtatanong lang sa'yo, ako ba kaya ibigin mo? Kahit maputi na ang buhok ko.
Nagitay apo, nagitay grandchildren ni Mr. and Mrs. Domingo. Yan, may pamanilay.
Ilang araw, ang iyong buhok ay puputi na rin. Sabay tayo manangarap ng nakaraan sa atin.
Yan, may namigay ng pera.
Kalipas ay babalik natin. Ipapaalala ko sa'yo ang aking pangako na ang pag-ibig ko'y laging sa'yo. Kahit maputi na ang buhok ko. Ang nakalipas ay babalik natin. Papaalala ko sa'yo ang aking pangako na ang pag-ibig ko'y laging sa'yo. Kahit maputi na ang buhok ko, kahit maputi na ang
And now, ladies and gentlemen, this time, may we see also the Domingos brother for them to give their gratitude by showing their gratitude to their man para din po isayaw nila ang kanilang mama. Yan, kay Nanang Josefina Domingo. And I would like to call first the eldest of the Domingo brothers. May I request Mr. Jerwin Domingo. And may I request also Mama Rachel to please have a dance with your daddy. Once again, may I request Mr. May we request the Because You Love Me for the son and mother dance. So may I request also Mr. Or should I say Mrs. Rachel Montenegro? Asan na si Ma'am Rachel? For the Domingo siblings or brothers, may I request Mr. Jerwin Domingo. May I request Ma'am Rachel to please thank the...
For all the joy you brought to my life, for all the wrong that you made right.
Yan, Mami, isala na ka, dagita pagbarong. Tapos ni Rachel, isala na mat nila kayo mo. So, mabalin yung agsinan.
I'd be for everything, baby. You're
Isuro
the
yun.
one who held me up, never let me fall. You're
Palakpakan tayo man ida ako.
saw me through it all. You're my strength when I was weak. You were my voice when I couldn't speak. You were my eyes when I couldn't see.
May we
So the best
request also Mr. Jefferson Domingo, sir.
when I couldn't breathe.
wife of Mr. Jefferson Domingo. Andito ba yung asawa ni Sir Jefferson?
Give me wings and make me fly. You touch my hand like you touch the sky. I lost my
May I request the wife of Mr. Jefferson Domingo? May we request Ma'am Gemma Rose to have a dance also with Tatang Edwin? This is the beautiful wife of Mr. Jefferson Domingo. Let's give them a round of applause. And now, ladies and gentlemen, may we have also Mr. Jerry Domingo, and may I request Mama Rochelle to take a dance also with Tatang. Also, Mr. Edison Domingo, together with di pamangkin, ayan, ang punong abala. May we request also Ma'am Nami Saavedra to take a dance with Tatang Edwin. Ma'am Nami, you go dance with Tatang Edwin. There you go. Diba? Napakasaya na panoorin yung magpapamilya. May we request also Mr. Erickson Domingo together with the pamangkin Joel. Yan.
Dive right in and follow my lead. Well, I found a girl, beautiful.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, the youngest among the Domingo brothers, ang pinakaiyakin sa lahat. Let's give a round of applause to Gerald Domingo, aka Tolis, and of course, may we request also the beautiful wife Ashan to take a dance with Tatang Edwin. Let's give them a round of applause.
I will not give you up this time, but darling, just kiss me slow. Your heart is all I own, and in your eyes, you're holding mine. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. When you said you look a mess, I whispered underneath my breath. You heard it, darling, you look
May we request also Rachel and husband to please come forward.
I found a woman stronger than anyone.
Rachel and husband. Ayan. Isayaw mo si Nanang, tapos si Rachel, isasayaw niyo ulit si Tatang.
I share home. I found a love to carry more than just my secrets, to carry love, to carry children of our own. We are still kids, but we're so in love, fighting against all odds. I know we'll be alright.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, let's give a round of applause to the Domingo family. Palakpakan naman po yung mga magkakapatid, and of course to the mom and dad.
Oh man, I see my future in your eyes.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, gaya po ng sinabi ko kanina, we have a lot of reasons kung bakit tayo na andito. And of course, may mga nagbe-birthday din, nagsa-celebrate ang kanilang birthday this time. And as I call on the celebrator, please come forward. Ayan, sabay-sabay nating palakpakan. First on the list na magbe-birthday this July. And of course, ayan, nag-graduate na din ng kanyang senior high. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give a round of applause to Jeron Domingo. Asan na si Jedrick? Usually kasi I call him Jedrick. Ayan, palakpakan naman. Congratulations and happy birthday. And of course, ang kanyang daddy na si Mr. Gerald Domingo, ayan, nag-birthday din noong July 18. Please come forward. July 8. Yan, sorry, may apology. Yan, July 8. And of course, may we have also Andrew Domingo and Jmar Montenegro na magbe-birthday on July 15. Yan, palakpakan naman. Asan siya? And of course, palakpakan din natin si Mr. Jefferson Domingo. Sir Jefferson na magbe-birthday sa July 21. And of course, kay Mr. Jerry Domingo on July 24. Happy birthday. Yan, dyan muna tayo. Yan, ang dami pa lang nagbe-birthday sa July sa mga Domingo family. And of course, yung mga graduate to Jewel Domingo. Asan si Jewel? Ayan, congratulations. And of course, to Jasper Domingo. Asan si Jasper? Yan, Jasper Domingo, and to Arwin Domingo, and to Jeros Vance Domingo. Yan, palakpakan. Kasya ba kayo dyan pag napicturan kayo? I think, kasya. Yan, palakpakan naman natin, and congratulations mga graduate po. Yan, thank you so much. Okay, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, ayan. And may I request yung mga for family picture po, may I request all the mga Domingo brothers po, ayan. And your family to please join Nanang and Tatang for the group Photo Opportunity. Yung mga magkakapatid po at saka ng kanilang mga asawa at anak, please samahan niyo po si Nanang and Tatang for the group family picture po. Ayan. So may I request yung mga magkakapatid na sina Jefferson, Jerwin, Jerry, Edison, and Erickson, Gerald, and Rachel. Yan, please have a photo opportunity with your mom and dad. Yung buong pamilya po. Pakikuha na din po yung mga anak. Kasya pa tayo dyan? So may I request all the families? May we request Sir Erickson? May we request Sir Erickson to please join your family for the group photo opportunity. May we request also Edison, asan ka na? Sir Edison. Edison. Hi po. Alam ko kung anong nararamdaman nyo. Huwag kayong mag-alala. Ramdam ko din. The feeling is mutual. So, Sir Edison, saan ka? Diyos ko, ano ba naman yan? Sino pa nawawalang kapamilya natin? Wala na? So ladies and gentlemen, lasinin nyo itan apoy. So dano kadagiti Domingo family dito. Nakita yung meta. Diba? Are you okay? Handa na ba tayo para magpakitang gilas mamaya ladies? Gaganda nyo. Ganyan na ganyan ako no Hindi pa ako ganito. Nakulam kasi ako kaya medyo nag-change yung physical appearance. Kaya ganyan ako. Ayan, di ba? Ganda. Baka makatip kayo, galingan nyo, mama. Baka makatip tayo, mamaya, galingan nyo. Yung mga may gustong song na gusto nyung paawit sa ating mga nagagandahan at very talented singers and musicians, ayan. And for the last time, let's have a family dance. Yan, kayang-kaya. Let's have one more time, Family Domingo. Yan. And of course, may we request that this piece is to be led by Mr. Jerwin Domingo and the beautiful wife. Yan, isasayaw nila si Nanang and Tatang. Yes, and after this, alam nyo na kung ano ang susunod. Yan, mabalin tayo apot at sa sala.
Nulong ka, jay daya, malalagit ko.
Public may follow mo. Pwede tayong sumayo lahat.
Jaya, lakas ka man, latay na ipinta, dito'y panunod ko, naaglayo ito'y sadyang, lumapat balik mo ang
May we give a round of applause to Mr. and Mrs. Jerwin Domingo.
isa na wagi ay hermano, diyak ko na kita mangyawa, ken ka na ito'y bagi, lumaupon mo, bitbitwen, kas kasugat, ito'y puso ko natin. Namano, already ka nangararan sa ibang ibaga, asikat ay ayatin. Numusuktan mo, mas nagabulan, kasi corona, kaniya kapag natunan. Lagi ben, asikat ay kapag ganito'y biyak ko, igat ka rin mo
Mabalik tayo
sana.
apot ni Mr. and Mrs. Domingo.
At Nagitan ang sikatay kapag ganito'y ako. Ingat kami mo sana. Numatilim mo at apnaali mo kasi regalo ngayon lang kabay-balayin. When manong sikatay ng surutin na pakitungtungan ken kapipinungaling yen nuawan matupan mo kadagito'y naiyanareng ito. Sabay kumantawan basta sa kulot ay piayan ket ititakit ko. Sabay kumantawan basta sa kulot ay piayan ket ititakit ko.
All right, thank you so much. And of course, we have also here a special bisita po. Ayan, we would love also to acknowledge the presence yung kapatid din po ni Nana Josepina na si Ma'am Florida. Asan si Ma'am Florida and Lorena? Palakpakan naman po natin si Ma'am Florida. And of course, we have also the daughter, Melody Elijah, and ano to? Erwin. Yan. Mr. Lorenzo, andito, kasama si Sir Lorenzo. Palakpakan ulit po natin. They are also from the state of Hawaii. Sino ang nawawala, Mami? Baka kulang yung sinulat niya. And we have also here Wilson, Sir Wilson and Ma'am Nali. Asan sina Sir Wilson and Ma'am Nali? Ay, si Ma'am Nali. Hello po. Kayo pala kaya na iba yung aurahan nyo, Madam. Do you understand Ilocano? Yeah. Pag mo na akong pahirapan, Madam. Of course, yan, palakpakan naman po ulit natin. Sino pa, Mami? Yan. Sa mga kamag-anak po ni Ma'am Josepina, yung mga nabanggit po, pwede pong tumayo pa. Kasi we will be giving you a privilege para po magkaroon din kayo ng picture. Will J. Andito, Mami, tinawag ko si Sir Will J. Asan si Sir Will J? Yan. So tayo na po tayo, makapicture po natin sina Mr. and Mrs. Domingo po bago tayo, kumain. Ayan, sabi ni Sir, bago tayo kumain. Yes po, ayan. At maghanda na po tayo. Ayan, picture muna tayo, ma'am, sa mga nabanggit po kanina. Ayan. Yeah, andito din si Sir Wilson Jr. Andito si Nali and Wilson, nasabi ko kanina. Ayan, si Nali and Wilson. May request nyo po yung mga andito para po makapicture na po tayo. Ayan, kasi madami na po atang galit dito. Marami na po bang galit dyan? Okay pa naman po tayo. Carry pa daw, sabi ni Ma'am. Ayan, picture tayo. Doon po tayo, Ma'am and Sir. Ayan. Sir Wilson. Sir Wilson, dito po muna tayo. So, asan si Tatang Edwin? Andun. And of course, may we acknowledge also the presence of yung mga kamag-anak po sa side ng kanilang asawa ni Sir Erickson. May we acknowledge also the presence of Ray Mark and family, and of course to the father-in-law, Mr. Reynaldo. And of course, at this juncture, I would love to request everybody to please stand up at sabay-sabay po natin kantahan si Tatang Edwin ng traditional Iloco song natin na Pada-Pada-Kam with the lead of our napakasigasig na banda, the R&B Band. May I request everybody, tayo po tayong lahat. Ayan!
Tanang
isa pa daw.
Diyos, dahilan yun na kumang kasalun ako yakin reka kenta sipento anak ba iduma naapapala nakitigas kenta
Alright, sabay-sabay natin. Isa pa. Isa pa daw.
Diyos, dahilan yun na kumang kasalunan mo yakin reka kenta singkat mo anak pang inuman nakapala naitigkas kenta
Everybody sing!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Come on! Love and
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Come on!
Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Alright, once again, sabay-sabay natin isigaw ng Happy Birthday! And 1, 2, 3, 4!
Happy birthday!
Ayan, before we, yan, isa lang po, last na po to, yan. Before we partake our dinner po, may isang napaka-special na tao sa buhay ni na Tatang. And andito yung kanyang message. So, I would love to, basahin ko lang muna po. Ha? This is from, siyempre mamaya nyo na malalaman. So, Tatang, ito, Tatang Edwin, ayan, busy si Sir Tolitz. Yan, basahin ko lang itong napaka-special na letter. Yan. Tatang ada kayat na timang kablao king ka, kaputa hanga nakaumay ditoy, ket ada into the kanyang surat message and I will